LogTag Recorders is a leading provider of high-quality, cost-effective solutions for monitoring temperature and humidity. Companies in pharmaceutical, healthcare, food, cold chain, agriculture, and industrial processing, including internationally recognized organizations such as UNICEF and Médecins Sans Frontières, have relied on LogTag Recorders products for the past 20 years. With headquarters based in Auckland, New Zealand, the engineering team design and develop all LogTag products and software in New Zealand. The team takes a comprehensive approach to design and manufacturing, which is combined with automated production and testing at our factory to ensure high product yields in production, together with compliance and reliability in the field. Our strong global distributor network in more than 60 countries worldwide provides rapid product delivery, backed up with great product knowledge and training for each application, customized solutions, and local support for customers large and small. LogTag's extensive range of products, supported by our free user-friendly software, LogTag Analyzer, and our cloud-based LogTag Online, provides a complete solution for customers in all markets. As technology advances, we continuously innovate with new products and solutions to suit every application. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can provide you with the same service other businesses have been enjoying for 2 decades.